about going to Mexico today? Our travel lady joins us this morning, Leslie Cater. Good morning, Leslie.
Hi, Cara.
Where are you taking us today, Mexico?
We're going to Cabo, Los Cabos.
Nice, Los Cabos. Now, you were telling me it's a very trendy area.
Oh, it is, definitely. I mean, this is the place where the rich and famous have these beautiful villas perched up on top of the hills there. The downtown area is very trendy, lots of little coffee shops, great boutiques, fantastic nightlife.
Awesome.
So for people who just want to be in, you know, it's a very special area, really. It always strikes me as almost sort of Mediterranean, like you could be on a Greek island with the whitewashed buildings, because it's quite dry as well down there.
And if you're into beaches, it's probably not the place to be if you want to hang out on the beach, though.
Yeah, there's very few beaches there that are good beaches for swimming. But really, with all the other aspects you have here, if you're a pool person, this is the place to go. And what we've done here is we've picked out a hotel that is the newest in the area.
Yes. Look at that scenery. That's gorgeous.
Now, this is the famous arch there in Los Cabos, and that's what makes the place famous. So, as you can see, the waves are quite rough there, so you do have to be a little bit careful. But with the pools and the spa and great restaurants, we've got a five-star hotel here. This is the Barcelo Los Cabos.
Yeah, tell us about that. That's fairly new, you were saying.
Yeah, built in 2009. So it's the newest hotel in the area. All the rooms are suites. And what they employ is what they call smart technology. So you've got a flat screen TV in the room, and you pretty much control everything from there. Fine dining. You can book your a la carte dining. It's all a la carte dining there. And, you know, smart technology is a great thing. I've just come back from Vegas, and I stayed at the Cosmopolitan there, and they have the same thing down there. And I don't know, unless you take your 10-year-old with you and they're with the remote control, how do I open the blinds?
Smart technology, not so smart.
Maybe I'm not there yet.
So
but
they need to give you a little tutorial on that smart technology first. Or as you say, bring your kids.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sorry, go ahead.
We've got some extras that we've thrown in here.
That's what I want to hear about.
Just to make things a little bit extra special for travel lady people. We've got a free entrance to the hydrotherapy circuit. Now, this is one of those fancy spa things where you walk through and you've got cold water and warm water and water massage and
all over the place.
Whatever, but we've got that for you. We'll have a special little chef's treat in the room waiting for you. And if we can, subject to availability, we're going to upgrade your room category. We're going to give you an early check-in and a late check-out, especially for you.
And a pretty decent price as well.
Excellent price, $13.55. That includes taxes, flights, five-star hotel, all-inclusive, all your drinks, all that lovely stuff. 25th of November. Just when it's starting to get really yuck here.
That is a sweet price at that five-star all-inclusive. That sounds awesome, Leslie.
We all want to go.
Yes, we might be seeing each other at the hotel. Hey, Leslie, hey, Cara, how's it going? Thank you so much for bringing that for us today.
Thanks, Cara.
And if you want more information, you can always call Leslie Cater, the Travel Lady, at 277-6884, or you can visit her website, thetravellady.ca.